shampoo sa buhok ko. I'm using this Palmolive Naturals Dry Shampoo. This is the Fresh and Volume Mixed Berry variant. I love this so much. And ginagamit din ito ni ate kasi super bango niya. I will also put some body shimmer. This one is from Moonë Beauty. Ayan. Just gonna put a little bit. Put it in my hands. I think I will be using the bucket hat Ate Yun sent me. Ayan. So cute. Hi guys! We're with Ate Yun already. Ayan. Ate Yun, saan tayo pupunta?
Kite Beach.
Ayan.
In Alquain. That's different like city.
Ayan.
Like state.
Dapat kasama namin si ate. Kaso, anniversary nila today ang jowa niya. So, ayan. Si Ate Yun. Nagpaampo na naman ako kay Ate Yun.
Yes.
Ayan. Let's go! Hi guys, we're already here sa Kite Beach. Ayan, after mga 20 minutes na drive. And
Actually, 30 minutes.
30 minutes pa yun?
Layo. Actually, 30 minutes na
30 minutes. Ayan. And
Park lang kami.
naghahanap kami ng parking kasi medyo madaming tao. Pero kakain muna kami ni Ate Yun kasi medyo gutom na. Ayun, medyo gutom na kami. Where's my mask? Here's our food, guys. We have margarita pizza and truffle pasta. Masarap daw to, sabi ni Ate Yun. Guys, lumipat kami ng seat. Yun si Ate Yun. Ayan, kasi kanina nandun kami. Ayan. And now we're here. Para siyang little mas private dito, so mas gusto namin dito. Here's our view. That's the beach. Guys, we're outside na and we got iced coffee. Yan, ito cafe latte ito. Tapos, ito yung in-order ni Ate Yun. And si Ate Yun pala, hindi siya mahilig sa strong na coffee. And ako, iced caramel yung in-order ko. So, nagpalit kami. Ayan. Kinanta ko sa kanila, nagpalit tayo ng coffee.
Iwan ko yung iced coffee.
Kasi ako, di ba, mahilig ako sa strong na coffee. So, ayan. We're just chilling here. Nagpalagay na rin kami ng umbrella. Ayan. And later, we're gonna swim. Si Ate Yun, she's getting some water and ice kasi super init. Ayan na pala siya. Ayan na si Ate Yun. Ayan ka. Ang init! Ate Yun, marunong ako mag-volleyball.
Yes.
Mag-volleyball sila, oh.
Do you know how to?
Yes. Bakit ang zoomed in? Sa totoo lang. Anyari? Yes, we're now at the beach. As you can see. Ayan. We're gonna take photos first, tapos swim kami. Na-zoom in ko yung camera ko, pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ibalik. Nakalimutan ko kung paano. Ayan.
No, I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I find I waste my time the best when I lose control of the remote, staring steady at the channels, giving up on intuition.
Guys, we're done swimming. Ayos ko na rin yung camera ko. And we're gonna go na. Kasi, what time is it? It's 5:13 PM na. Ay! Nagulat ako! Hi guys, so we're done swimming. Nag-change na rin ako to my dress. By the way, my dress is from Shopee. I'll put the link in the description box. As well as my glasses. Nag-start na si Ate Yun ng car. We're gonna go home. Hi guys! Good morning! Ate Yun, say good morning!
Hi!
Ayan. So, natapos yung isa kong vlog, diba, na Dito ako natulog. So, ngayon naman, the next day, mag-road trip kami. Kasama namin sila ate yun, pero different car sila. And, ate yun, saan tayo pupunta? Hindi ko alam. Hata?
And yung ghost town.
The ghost town village. Walang ghost doon. Tawag lang nila ghost town.
Not sure.
Ay! Ito palang outfit ko, guys. Ito, dito tayo sa, ni ate yun. Ayan, ito lang yung sa akin. Yung bralette, pati yung shorts kay ate yun yan. Thank you, ate yun. Ayan. Oh my God, ayan na naman siya. At manghihiram ako kay ate yun ngayon ng blush. Tsaka lip tint. Kasi wala akong dala.
Sa hata. Tapos, tsaka yung ghost town.
Okay. We're ready. Hi, guys! Kasama ko na sila ate. Say hi, Atwell! Kuya Mal, say hi.
Hello!
Hello! And ayun sila, Kuya Phil. Si ate yun. Ayun sila.
He's not going back in.
We have McDonald's from ate yun. Thank you, Unicorn.
Thank you, Unicorn.
Yep.
But the thing is, the cheeseburger probably have ketchup, which is gonna be sad.
Yeah, it's for Kuya Miles.
No, we have 3.
Guys, Kuya Miles is deflating. Why do you need to deflate it?
Because you don't know how deep
Mine is low.
the sand is.
Ah!
So your tire is supposed to be softer and flat so it doesn't get stuck.
Ah! Tinanong ko kung bakit kailangan i-deflate.
Lulubog pag hindi tiniflate.
Amazing. Guys, nag-deflate pa rin sila. Ayun si Kuya Phil. Ate, say hi. Bakit lagi ganun? Kapag say hi, lagi may peace sign. Oh my God. Oh!
Are you laughing?
I'm like getting thrown off.
Whoa!
We have arrived! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Yep. Okay, guys. We are here! And I'm wearing my Birks. Guys, punta tayo sa loob.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Guys, tinake namin tong photo na to.
Yung ano, buwis buhay
Career niya. Gusto mo? Try nga, ate yun. Ang pangit. Parang hirap na hirap ka na, no? Hi guys, so we decided not to go to
See the dam.
To see the dam. Kasi, ang daming tao, guys. As in, look at the cars na naka-park. Ayan, super dami nila. So, no thank you. We're not gonna risk ourselves. Baka may COVID pa, ganun. So, punta na lang kami dun sa parang may small na cafe kami nakita na cute. Doon na lang kami. Titingnan ko na lang sa pictures yung dam.
Oh my god, I was
Guys, it's raining. Sobrang lakas ng ulan.
sobrang lakas talaga.
Yeah,
Parang wala lang to sa Pilipinas eh.
true.
Ambon lang.
Ambon lang to sa Pilipinas.
Pero dito everyone is like, wow! It's raining!
They're closing, yeah.
Guys, this
Let's
is
go
the
back.
cafe. That's the cute cafe. Ayan, that one. But it's raining so hard. Ayan. But ang cool. Ang lamig. Kasi, super rare dito umulan, di ba?
We just go back?
Amazing. I think the rain won't stop anytime soon. Wait, it's so cute. There's a bunch of Mini Coopers. A bunch of Mini Coopers. Ah,
You can get out and film the Mini Coopers if you want.
no, thank you.
Mini Coopers.
Hi guys, so we just got back. It's currently, anong oras na? 6:50 PM and dito magdi-dinner sila Ate Yun, si Kuya Phil, si Ate Nika, Kuya Mark, and then si Kuya Devon and si Ate Dane. Dito kami lahat magdi-dinner and hindi na ako mag-vlog. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Epic fail yung road trip namin, guys, kasi apart sa super umulan, sobrang dami ring tao dun sa area na yun. So we're probably gonna go back kasi hindi kami nakatry dun sa Kita Cafe. Tapos, gusto ko rin mag-kayak next time dun sa dam if konti na lang yung tao. I'm gonna shower now. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah!